Hi again. Last week we saw how the rules of the game shape the social conflict between economic agents. We also saw how the government can empower economic agents and make them better or worse off by altering their bargaining power. Now, this week we'll see that conflicting interests don't only occur between economic agents. Similarly, powerful groups of agents exist even within a single firm. We're used to think about the firm as a black box, as a single economic agent shifting inputs from point A to point B to satisfy consumer demand and make a profit. Right? That's how we think about the firm. But we rarely even think about what happens within that firm. Now, this week, we'll see that the firm is not only an economic agent, as we used to think about it, it is a stage. On this stage, there are three types of actors: owners, managers, and employees. In an ideal world, all of them will be working with the same goal in mind: how to grow the firm bigger and more profitable. However, we don't live in an ideal world, do we? In the real world, the owners, managers, and the employees have vastly different and sometimes even conflicting interests. And because they are in conflict, we, the economists, have the tools to model that conflict. And as a result of our modeling exercise, we'll be able to look into that black box which the firm was until today. When we do that, we'll see how workers determine how hard they work during their working day, how firms determine how much they pay their workers, and ultimately, how is the profit from those interactions formed at the core, at the firm level. So the conflict between the various players evolves very differently depending on two factors: the state of the economy and the state of labor regulations, because those two factors determine the bargaining power of the players involved. We'll review how those two factors affect the state of the play on our live lectures. But before that, let's open that black box, which we call the firm. Keep watching.